Hey guys, TechCameron1011 from TechCameron.com, and today I'm going to be doing a tour of my site since I recently upgraded many parts of it, and I decided to give you a tour of how my site will work from now on. First off, to write for my site, click this button here and it'll take you to the form where you need to apply. If you have any questions or concerns, to link to my last video. Well, actually, I'm gonna add an annotation here, which should link to my video on how to write. If I forget, comment below and tell me about it. So first off, you'll see some theme changes. I decided to change the theme because I didn't like the old one. So first off, I've gotten three new sections actually. If you see here, this is the tutorials part of my site. It'll give you several tutorials on how to do stuff, whether they're appropriate or inappropriate in some ways. Yeah, it'll be here. And I've also opened the review part of my site where I will be doing several reviews in the near future on accessories, products, software, etc., 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 and thoughts and stuff will be included here as well. The next section is jailbreaks. I think you guys saw my old jailbreak tutorial. That's actually still there, just under a different name. It's this one right here, I'm guessing. As soon as it loads. Yeah, I'm thinking it looked something like this. Well, I got rid of this. It's ugly, it's horrible. Yeah, I don't think so. So I've decided to create a new section like this jailbreaks. If you click on this, it's gonna say listen to get started, select your iDevice from the menu. From here, I will actually be giving several other stuff on jailbreaks, like how to save your SSH and stuff like that. But for now, it's basically just a jailbreaking guide. You select your device. Let's see, I want to jailbreak for the iPad. It will be here that for each and every device you will see the current firmware status, whether it's yellow usually means tethered, and red means there is no jailbreak out yet, and green means it's an untethered jailbreak that will jailbreak your device. And so for the iPad, you can see it's yellow, and under light you will usually see the previous iOS versions on how to jailbreak. For example, for here you can see 3.2.1 and below, which is just 3.2. And no, you still cannot jailbreak 3.2.2 for those of you who haven't upgraded for some particular reason. And this works for the iPhones. It's basically all the same thing. The iPhone, the iPod Touch. It's all the same thing. Just remember one small thing about all fleas. Make sure you follow exactly what's here, because for example, with 4.2.1, if you don't use Redsn, instead you say, I like LimeRain better. I'm gonna use LimeRain, and if you use LimeRain, the Cydia won't work because of some unnecessary uncompatibility issues. So you're gonna have to use Redsn. Redsn is fully compatible. The only downside is, well, it's tethered, and it's tethered for all devices except the second generation models, which include the iPod Touch 2G non-MC model and the iPhone 3G. So 2 devices. Next up is demos. Well, with this demo site, I've decided to include some other software web that's available on the web. For example, I've got Drupal 7.0 beta, and everything here you'll see is actually going to be in beta. The software, anyways, I'm actually going to be including some new HTML5 demos and such in the near future. But for now, the softwares here are going to be in beta. You know, Drupal 7 is in beta, and the WordPress 3.1 is also in beta. You probably know about that. And these are fully working. And if you click on them, if this thing feels like loading, you will be allowed to log in as admin. The username and password are here, so remember, for all of these demos you will be allowed to access with the admin username and password. The reason I'm allowing this is because if I see anything inappropriate, I will also be allowed to basically block your IP address from the demos. So yeah, don't do anything inappropriate. The next thing here is TLive Chat. TLive Chat is basically where I'm gonna do some live chats in the near future. I do not have plans for it now, but in the near future, I will be doing some live chats, and no, they will not include broadcasting. And this is actually a 24/7 chat, so if you guys feel like broadcasting, go ahead. If it's inappropriate, I will block you. But anyways, the TLive chat option is here, and I will actually be broadcasting soon. I will usually be using IM to broadcast. If for some reason I feel like showing my face, I will. So for now, it's gonna be in text, and I will host leads soon. I do not have a complete schedule yet. I will tell you about it later. Next up on the menu is about. It's basically about me and and again, when you apply and join for this, you apply, join, and I've seen some good posts, and once you're promoted to author, I will let you create and tell me send me your Twitter logo, and I will post your Twitter logo here. I will write your name here, and it will probably say author down here. So, and it will be under mine, of course. And if you send me your Twitter, YouTube, and Facebook links, I will put them there as well for the world to see. So after that, the rest is, oh yeah, contact. If you have any questions or concerns, whatever, just fill out this form and click submit. I will respond within usually 24 to 48 hours. And the other thing is you've got search. That's self-explanatory. The one thing here you will notice is a weekly poll. This poll is updated weekly to a brand new poll of something else. For now, it's laptop screen size and will be for this week. The polls are updated Saturday night always. Down here you can subscribe by email to all of the posts. This is hot topics and tags. This is recent posts. If you missed any, they're all down here. And now if we go back home, and I click on this article right here, this is an article. All the articles look the same, which you might also like. These are just some related articles. Down here you can share the article to basically I think 100-200 services, and I don't know some of these icons, but if you use the service you probably should know the icon to share it. Down here you can print the article out if it's slightly interesting, and down here is if you want to comment and say hello, I love this post, whatever you want to comment. But remember, when you comment, you will need to fill out this CAPTCHA code because of security reasons. And I don't want spam all over again. Yeah, so that's basically a tour of my site. If you guys have any questions or concerns, comment below, and I will see you guys later. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to this video, and I'll see you guys later.